Are your emails bouncing back at an alarming rate? Are you losing money on every email marketing campaign? In 2026, failing to verify your email lists doesn't just waste your budget, critically damages your sender reputation, landing your future campaigns in spam folders. Email verification is essential to ensure your messages reach real people and protect your brand. Let's dive into the top 5 email verification tools that will safeguard your marketing efforts. First, ZeroBounce, known for its high accuracy and rich feature set. Next is NeverBounce, a popular choice for its speed and simple integrations. Third, Hunter.io, a comprehensive outreach platform that includes powerful verification. Then there's BriteVerify, which offers real-time verification at the point of capture. Finally, PureChecker, a rising star known for its competitive pricing and ease of use. Choosing the right tool is crucial. Invest in email verification to boost your deliverability and maximize your campaign ROI.